Welcome back, guys. If you have the same problem stuck in loading screen, here is the fix tutorial. So in the Epic Games Launcher, click on your game, click manage, then find launch options, turn on, then type -x11, then close, then just start the game and do nothing. Let it start. Do not click any button, just wait until it's loading, full loading. So guys, thank you for watching. Hope this tutorial helped you. Please like and subscribe for more like this. Also check out our other videos on our channel. Bye.